thankful for my pre-fiance. Promise ring. I'm also thankful that he just got a promotion that takes him out of the city for 6 months. Because that's 6 months that I get to stay late every night and work on that project with Greg. I mean, not that it's that exciting, I just...
Alcohol, definitely top 3.
I don't know, a clear pap smear.
Number 1, fantasy football.
Let's see, I'm thankful I shoot blanks.
Mashed potatoes, gravy, and stents.
Number 2, vagina.
I am thankful for my house, and I am thankful for this job that gives me benefits. Because there is nothing single mothers love more than a guy with a minivan, a house, and a job with benefits.
I'm thankful Sarah likes to wear skirts. Hey-oh!
Well, of course, what with all the economic uncertainty, and I'm very grateful that we didn't have to give up the club membership or the timeshare in Fort Lauderdale.
3, morning after pill.
No bastard children. Yes.
I'm thankful for webcams, because a lot of those girls won't show you what they have unless you show them first.
Blackouts, I guess, are nice. And my anger management sponsor.
Charm School Rock of Love version.